The copy tool. If you're under the drawing workflow, under the home tab, it's going to be in this fifth group. It's the second tool. It's called copy. I'm going to left click and select it. Now if I just want to go out there and dynamically copy an item, maybe I want to just copy this manhole cover, you can basically go out and left click and select it at any of the key points. Since I have my key point snapping turned on, just left click to accept it, drag it out. You notice it's going to tie it to that key point when you try and copy it. If that's where I want to copy it to, I just left click to drop it off, right click to reset my tool, and I have my copy. But maybe I want to take this manhole cover, copy it from this end point of the pipe to the other end of the pipe. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to snap to the center of that manhole cover. So I'm going to go to the center, get my snap. You notice it's trying to select the pipe. I can go ahead and left click here to identify the element anyway. It's going to select the pipe. But if I do a single right click, since those two elements share a key point, I can right click on it once and it's going to toggle between those two items. Since there's only two items there, if I right clicked again, it would deselect both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm going to snap to the center. I've got my pipe. I don't want my pipe. I'm going to do a single right click. It's going to switch to my manhole cover. Now I can take that manhole cover and copy it to the end of that pipe. Just with the left click and then right click to reset the tool. I also have the option to make multiple copies for the element. So I'm going to change my copies from 1 to 2. I'm just going to go out here and select this manhole cover here at the center point. So that's going to be the point it copies it from. Now if I just dynamically go up here and drag it somewhere, left click to accept it, it's going to make 2 copies along that path. If I'm done with my copy, all I have to do is right click to reset it, and I'm finished. I'm going to do an undo. Now if I want to take this manhole cover down here at the bottom and copy it 2 times vertically at a 90-degree angle, I could do that. I just have to make sure my Civil AccuDraw is turned on, and I'm going to select the DX and DY mode. Now I'll go out to my screen, I'll snap to my circle, left click to accept it, start dragging it up. Maybe I want to copy it 6 foot vertically and make 2 copies. So my DX, I'll make sure my distance is 0 and hit enter, lock it in. My DY, type in 6, lock it in. Now when I drag my cursor around, you'll see it's locked in. I'll just left click to accept it, right click to reset it, and it's made 2 copies of that manhole cover using its Civil AccuDraw.